I love you like a diamond, and diamonds are forever. You know it when you find one, you never let go ever. People spend the whole dang life trying to find that shine, and I found mine. I love you like a diamond, and diamonds are forever. Ooh, ooh. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you guys how to play an awesome song that was requested by, I don't know how to say your name right, so if I butcher it, just let me know in the comments. Rishi Patel, in relation to Neil Patel. Anyway, yeah, thanks so much. You've been requesting some songs. I'm trying to get to them. But this is Morgan Evans, who I don't know a ton about, honestly. But Rishi requested this song, and I really love it. This is Diamonds by Morgan Evans. So thanks for subscribing, you guys. I just hit 200 subscribers, so thanks a ton. I really appreciate it. And thanks for hitting the like button too. So those of you who are new to my channel, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new lessons, all right? All right, let's get into it, okay? So we're gonna do capo on the 2nd fret. Now it'll be a little bit easier if you have it a little bit higher on the fret for some of those chords, especially if you ever play an A chord. It's easier if you have it like halfway through the fret or something, okay? So, and I'll include a link to the capo in the description, all right? So, but please request other songs that you want to see, because I love learning these new songs for you guys, okay? So, capo on the 2nd fret, standard tuning. The chords that you're going to use the entire time in the same order are this. You're going to use D minor, okay? And I'm just using my thumb to play this. You can use pick if you want, but I think it's just fun to play with your finger, so with your thumb. Okay, so you're going to use D minor. If you don't know what that is, you're going to put your middle finger. All right, that's what I do. I put my middle finger on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo on the G string, okay? Then you're going to put your pointer finger up here on the 1st fret. Hear that? Hammer on and pull off. On the 1st fret on the little E string, and then you're going to put, okay, I'm trying to make it so you can hear it. So you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? That's how it sounds. Okay, so that's part of a little taste of the strumming pattern. Then you're going to go to G. I think it's way easier, by the way, if you go from D minor to this G. Okay. Okay, and then you're going to go to E minor. Okay. Okay, and then you're going to do A minor. Okay, now for the strumming pattern, which is a little bit more difficult, but not hard. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so you're going to start out down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, then you start over. So D minor, down, down, up, down, down. So you see when you start changing, down, down, up, down, up, and I start changing right there. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So here you can see this hand. I'm gonna try and do it so you can see them both. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's slow. And if you're struggling with it, play it slow at first. But here's how it is faster. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, that's how you play it. The entire song. Sorry, I'm out of breath from saying that. So what you do is, during the verses, you're going to play it softer. You're going to be like, just like that, okay? D minor, G, D minor, A minor, down, down, up, okay? Just like that. Now when you go to the chorus, then you're going to play it a lot louder. It's just, I love you like a diamond, and diamonds are forever. When you find one, never let go ever. People spend the whole day. Okay, now that part too, if you're having a hard time hitting the notes on that, and people spend their whole dang, because I don't swear too much, a little, but I try not to. On the people spend their whole dang life trying to find that shine. A tip is for vocalists. So I don't like. I'm a better singer than I am guitarist. I'll be straight up. But the way that will help you guys sing better is if you drink like room temperature water, maybe slightly warm water, okay? That will help you. If you drink cold water, it will make it so you can't sing, you don't have the same range. I don't know if you guys ever noticed that. It took me a while. My sisters are singers, so they kind of taught me that. So anyway, so that's how you do that. So I'm going to walk you through real quick where you play the chords for like most of the first verse, and then I'm going to walk you through, and for the chorus as well, like on the strumming and stuff. So for the intro, you're going to just do it once. It's just down, down. So you're just going to play through all the chords once. Okay, and then I would go into it. I was under pressure. So pressure, you're gonna go, I was under pressure. Pressure is where you're gonna do D minor, pressure. And G. So G and G is kind of like in between all of them. G and A minor are both in between chords in the intro, in the verses and chorus. So it's, I was under pressure is D minor, then G. So you know words on that one. Before I ever met you, so met is E minor, met you, and then A minor. But you were gonna steal, so steal is back on D minor, steal my heart G, and I was gonna let you, let you, or yeah is E minor, and then A minor, okay? And then you go, it's like I was down a mine, so down a mine is D minor, and then G, lost and looking for the light. So for the light, for the is like E minor, and then light is after light you do E minor, or sorry, A minor. Then I found you like a treasure. So like a, so on is where you do D minor, like a treasure, and then you do G. Yeah, you made me better. Better is E minor, and then A minor. Okay. So that's how you do it through the first verse. I mean, I could walk you through the entire song, but that's gonna be like a 20-minute video if I do that. So let's not do that, okay? There's no like real bridge in this song when you are playing like kind of the part where he's just riffing. Just play the chords, same chord progression like 2 or 3 times, and then people will like that. That's what I would do in this song because they have a lot more instruments, okay? So that's what I would do. Then when you go to the chorus, here's how where you play the chords. I love you like a diamond. So diamond is where you do D minor. Okay, D minor, diamond. Okay, pretty easy. Diamond. And diamonds are forever. So you do, just like you did before, remember that G is like in between. So you do G. And diamonds are forever. Forever is where you do E minor. Ever. And then A minor. Let's see. You know it when you find. So find is D minor. Find one. Then G. You never let go ever. Ever is E minor, A minor. People spend their whole dang life. So whole dang life is whole is D minor. Whole dang life trying to find is where you're gonna do G. Find that shine. Yeah, I found. So yeah, I is where you're gonna do E minor. I found mine. Mine is A minor. Mine. I love you like a diamond. So diamond is D minor. It always is. G. And diamonds are forever. Forever is E minor again. Forever, forever, ever. Okay, you don't have to do the forever, ever, like it kind of has like echoing. You can just kind of like play over it. And then you're gonna go back in the second verse. You're gonna go, I was always stressing. Okay, and then you'll just go back into it. That's the whole song. Super easy, really fun. Thanks so much for the request. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you guys have any questions about it in the comments. If you'd like, let me know of any other songs. I'm kind of backed up on requests right now. Someone, I think your name is TJ, has been requesting Fishin'. I'm trying to get to it. It's a little bit harder for me to learn, but I'm trying to get to it. And so just know I haven't forgotten about you, okay? So I'm going to do it. But thanks so much for watching. Let me know of any other requests you guys have. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.